Life of a farmer. Oh yeah, no. Fowl go run come now. I never even call them. See the love, see the joy. See the love, see the joy.
No, go, Baba. No, I'm not entering back. We are trekking. Hey guys, we are going out. Say hello. Chikamso, come and say hello now. I want to go cut Chikamso's hair and cut Daddy's hair. So maybe when we're coming back, we are going to take a bike. So guys, we found the place and the guys, we are done. This is what the hair is looking like. We are heading home. Tom now. So maybe also cut his own hair.
Life of a farmer. Oh yeah, no. Fowl go run come now. I never even call them. See the love, see the joy. See the love, see the joy. So as they run, they come from everywhere. Hey, then just run out everywhere. Oh yeah. Okay, they inside too, they wait. Yeah. Okay, they inside, they wait. Make I can't open door. The sun's just the flares. Life get as e be. Turkey wey we dey feed inside prefer outside to come dey eat for dustbin. Why fowl, native fowl wey supposed to feed outside prefer to run enter once turkey come out to go dey eat from leftover of turkey? They prefer inside. See them with their chicks. All of them. Why? See these ones. Just they outside. They food themselves. Such is life.
There with me. Mo, go, Baba. No, I'm not entering back. We are trekking. Hey guys, how are you doing? So this is the same day that I finished Ada's hair. I want to go and cut her hair. Let's follow this place.
My hair.
Chikamso's hair. So guys, we are going out. Say hello.
Hello.
Chikamso, come and say hello now.
Hello.
I want to go and cut Chikamso's hair and cut Daddy's hair. So let's go fast. It's evening already. This almost 4:30. It's almost 4:30 and for 5, right?
Yes.
So let's start going so that we'll come back on time. Yeah, I'll see. We have not really, since we came down to Owerri, we have not really strolled like chicken. So stop running now. We have not really strolled like this before. Like we'll stop in our gates, then we enter our car or we enter bike. to wherever I want to go. But this evening, I just decided that we should just trek. Be going that way. I just decided that let's do an evening stroll. At least it will also help me in my weight loss journey, like lose some calories as well. So that is it. And I had to carry this one on my back because hey, I can't hold him in my hand, so so it will also help me to lose more calories. This trekking evening stroll. Are you able to stay this way? This way.
This way.
Be going one side near the fence. Don't run. So guys, yeah, look at the kids. Amanda is holding my bags for me. I've showed you guys this road before, but then the first time I showed you guys, there was water all over this place. Now it's dry season, so there's no water. Let's go fast, so we are going far, very far. It's going to be an evening stroll. Maybe when we're coming back, we are going to take a bike. So I'm already tired, but yeah, we have trekked more than half of the way to where we are going to, so no need entering bike. So we're going. So guys, we found the place. Sorry, we found the place and the kids are here already. Today we'll come find you. Today we'll come find you. Someone will use this evening. Waka. How you doing?
Fine. Happy New Year.
I wish you the same.
What does boss?
In there fine.
We Baba wait there say come out and for you. I've been the usual veteran guy. Say what thing going on. Oh, is that what I want to know? You know what? Because you get one of my brother when they bring come. Well, that guy really come see for you. You get so then pay money for one guy. Now see my language go making learn that guy Bobby. You have seen the learn the guy. You know learn that guy Bobby with clear mind. You know do the guy so many things. You know say the guy na just person wey dey endure. God na my time then give him money make he learn me work. You know gree.
Dirty boy.
No, they are not too in need like before.
Wait, guys, we are done. This is what the hair is looking like. We are heading home. Tom now. So we are heading home. Let's go. Hey, baby also cut his own hair.
Yes, and the bike is coming.
So guys, we are going home, and yeah, so that chicken, so there is a bike coming. You'll be going now. When we get home, I'll see you guys. I'm tired already.